Preparing to run a Dungeons & Dragons game can seem overwhelming, especially if you're new to the hobby, but with a little bit of preparation you can make sure your game runs smoothly and everyone has a great time. Here are some tips on what to do when prepping for running a D&D game. First, take notes. Jot down ideas for your adventure, NPCs and encounters. This will help you keep track of your thoughts and ideas and make sure you don't forget anything important. Next, choose your monsters. Look through the monster manual and choose the creatures you want to use in your adventure. Make sure they're appropriate for the party's level and that you have a good mix of combat encounters and social encounters. Create your maps. Whether you're using a battle map or theatre of the mind, make sure you have a clear idea of the environment your players will be navigating. Draw out key locations and mark any traps or obstacles they might encounter. Prepare your dice. Make sure you have all the dice you need for your adventure and that they're easily accessible. You don't want to waste time searching for the right die when you're in the middle of a tense combat encounter. Know your rules. Brush up on the rules of the game, especially if you're a new DM. Familiarise yourself with the spells and abilities your players have, and make sure you know how to handle any rules questions that might come up during the game. Finally, prepare your DM screen. Fill it with notes and reminders of key rules and information. This will help you keep everything organised and within reach during the game. So there you have it, some tips on what to do when prepping for running a D&D game. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and create memorable experiences for your players. Thanks for watching.